Dear students, today I welcome you all to this session number 37. In this session, we are going to learn about close test. Now, let me share the PPTs with you. Okay. So, I again welcome you all to this session number 37. In this session, we are going to learn about what is a close test and how to solve it. Close test, it is an exercise test or assessment test consisting of a portion of a language with certain words removed. In this test, they will give you a paragraph with removing certain words. You have to fill the appropriate answer in those blanks. It is also called a close deletion test. This requires the ability to understand the context and vocabulary in order to identify the correct language. The student should build stronger vocabulary and they must also cultivate the habit to understand the context. ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಮತ್ತು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಬ್ದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇವೆರಡು ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಮತ್ತು ಶಬ್ದಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. The close test was described by W.L. Tyler in the year 1953. So, a close test is an exercise where the candidate is provided with a paragraph. As I told you, they will give you a paragraph by removing certain words. The given paragraph will have missing words or blanks which have to be filled. Sometimes this is also called and this contains long passages with missing words. So sometimes the closed test may have long passages with the end in the bracket. They will give you the answer. From that answer, you must pick appropriate answer to fill that blank. You have to complete the passage with the help of words that will be present at the end. The closed test primarily mean to test a candidate's knowledge of comprehension with regard to grammar, usage and vocabulary. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಆ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ನಾಲೆಜು ಅದರದ್ದು ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೊಕ್ಯಾಬುಲರಿ ನಾಲೆಜು ಇರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. To solve the close test, work on stronger vocabulary. So the student must build some basic requirements to solve the close test. The first requirement here is the primary requirement, as we have already discussed, a stronger vocabulary. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ vocabulary ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಶಬ್ದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಆ ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Then increase readability by reading newspaper and paragraphs. Readability, ಆ ಒಂದು ಓದುವ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. How to build this readability? So you must read some editorials in the newspapers, and also you can read some paragraphs like story. So reading editorials is much beneficial for all of you. So read the editorials in the newspapers. In topic based closed test questions, try to get the context of the given paragraph. Context ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂದರ್ಭ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥೈಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಂದರ್ಭವನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥೈಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Prepare prepositions and articles well. So this comes under parts of speech. So you must prepare and you have to work on these prepositions and articles. In case of confusion, use the elimination method to answer the questions. So while answering the question, it is often in practice that student will be confused to find the right answer. So in that case, what you have to do, you must go through this elimination method. Hmm? By knowing, by eliminating the other given options, you must find definitely the appropriate answer. So here are the some tips to solve the cloze test. How to solve the cloze tests? So you must have to keep in the mind these tips. So first one here is overview of the passage. Overview of the passage ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ನ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ನೋಟ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದಷ್ಟು ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. That is, overview of the passage means take a quick glance at the passage to understand the given topic. So whatever the topic may be there, so we must understand by going through that passage quickly. Look for contextually correct options. So ಸಾಂದರ್ಭಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Select an option which is aptly fits with the context of the passage. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಂದರ್ಭಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತರ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Eliminate options in case confused. If you are unable to reach an answer, try eliminating the option. As I told you, in case of confusion, it is sometimes happens while you are finding the answer in these cloze tests. So you must go through the elimination method. If you go through the elimination method, there are more chances that you will definitely find the right answer to fill. Link the sentences while answering. The cloze test is a passage based on particular topic. So you must try linking the sentences with each other to simplify the context of the given passage. So this we have already discussed that about the context here. Understand the tone of the passage. So what will be the tone? What will be the language? It is nothing but the context again. Once a candidate understands the tone of the passage, selecting the appropriate options become easier. So if you know the context, if you know the tone, if you know the language in what will be the context, then you will definitely find the right answer in the cloze tests, because they would have given you a paragraph where certain words have been removed. At the end of the paragraph, they will provide you all the answers. From that answer, to find the appropriate answer, you must go through these tips to solve that cloze tests in a right manner. With this discussion, I will end this session today.